Hi everyone! Welcome back to Anne Design Craft channel. Today I will show the pattern of my penguin crochet box. You can put all your current crochet project tools in this box. It's easy for you to arrange them. I made a hole in the mouth part so you can pass the yarn through. This way, your yarn ball won't roll everywhere. If you liked this, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with others. Your support really motivates me to create more videos for you. The diameter of the penguin box is approximately 13 centimeters. Here are the tools I used in this video. 3 colors of yarn, a 6mm crochet hook, and a needle. I used double yarn in this crochet. Make a knot in a magic ring. And 8 single crochet in the magic ring. This project is suggested to using V-stitch. When finish a round, make a slip stitch on the first stitch and make a chain on the following round. In round 1, make 8 increase in every stitches till end. Total 16 stitches. In round 2, make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 8 times, total 24 stitches. For rounds 3 to 5, please follow the written pattern. Here the base is done, and it measures approximately 13 centimeters. Next, we'll continue to crochet the height of this box with the penguin face. In round 6, crochet only in the back loop and follow the written pattern. Numbers within brackets and color parts indicate the use of white yarns. Here, I'll show you how to change yarn colors. Insert the hook into the 2 strands. Pull in the white yarn. Then you can pull out the green yarn. Use the white yarn to continue crocheting. After done 13 single crochet in white yarn, use the same way to change yarn color and make 17 single crochet. Start from round 7. We need to use waistcoat stitch. We work our subsequent rounds by piercing the center of each V's from the previous round. Then, we draw up our loop nice and tall. This creates lovely little V-stitches. In round 8, after 6 single crochet white yarn, do 6 chains. And skip 3 stitches and continue to do single crochet. Here was the hole for the mouth. In round 9, after 6 single crochet white yarn, do 4 chains. And skip the chain part. Continue to do 6 single crochet. In round 10, after the 6 single crochet white yarn, make a slip stitch over all the strands to cover them. Then make 1 chain. Repeat this 3 times. Continue to do 6 single crochet. In round 11, after the 6 single crochet white yarn, make the single crochet in the 3 slip stitch and skip the chain, then continue to do single crochet. For the upcoming round, follow the written pattern, and you'll achieve the penguin shape like this. For the penguin's beak, start with 8 chains. Then connect back to the first chain with a slip stitch. In round 1, do single crochet in every stitch until the end. Join the beak to the hole and sew happy eyes for your penguin. For the inner part, there might be a lot of leftover yarn. Make sure to tighten them up and hide them nicely. Finally, the penguin crochet box is done. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.